Okay, the meter has a leak. This here, if you look here, this is no good. So the shutoff valve is bad, so we have to fix it. You're gonna need these. You're gonna need this. Pipe dope, you're gonna need it. And the new shutoff valve, you're gonna need this. Water's been cut off from outside. See there? We're gonna need a screw. We're gonna need to take this wire off. Wire's off. We're gonna need to unscrew this, remove the shutoff valve, and put a new one on. The old one, you can see all of the dirt in the inside, how it's clogged up. It's completely. And this is the new one. Let's see, does it work? Oh yeah! We got water!